Rise and shine with these easy and delicious overnight oats recipes. Are you tired of boring breakfasts that leave you feeling like a grumpy cat in the morning? Say goodbye to the same old cereal and try overnight oats instead. They're like the superhero of breakfast, easy to make, customizable to your liking, and always there to save your morning. Plus, they're the perfect solution when you hit snooze one too many times and need a quick and nutritious breakfast on the go. So let's give a round of applause for overnight oats, the breakfast that always has your back. Ingredients: 1/2 cup rolled oats, 1/2 cup unsweetened almond milk, or milk of choice, 1/2 cup plain Greek yogurt, 1 tablespoon chia seeds, optional, 1 tablespoon honey or maple syrup, optional, 1/2 teaspoon vanilla, extra toppings of your choice, e.g., fruit, nuts, seeds, nut butter. Instructions: in a medium-sized bowl, stir the oats, almond milk, Greek yogurt, chia seeds, if using, honey or maple syrup, if using, and vanilla extract until well combined. Transfer the mixture to a mason jar or container with a tight-fitting lid. Refrigerate the oats overnight or for at least 4 to 5 hours. In the morning, stir the oats and add your desired toppings. Overnight oats can be stored in the refrigerator for up to 5 days, making them an excellent option for meal prep. This recipe makes 1 serving. If you want to make multiple servings, multiply the ingredients by the number of servings you want to make. And remember, with overnight oats, you'll never have to choose between getting extra beauty sleep and having a delicious breakfast again. So go ahead, hit snooze again, and enjoy a tasty and satisfying meal ready and waiting for you in the morning. It's out to be good. If you're an overnight oats fan like us, don't forget to hit the thumbs up and smash that subscribe button. We promise to bring accessible, delicious breakfast ideas that make your mornings awesome. Thanks for watching.